Your day starts with a tidal wave of static. As your list of contacts grows, staying on top of each one gets harder and harder.
Where is their number?
Your competition is closing deals in the time it takes you to find it. You think you're selling, but in reality, you're just wasting time hunting. Did they visit your website? Open that email? Book an appointment? If you don't track it, you can't act on it. That chaos is your biggest cost in time and money.
Went with someone else. Couldn't wait. Sorry.
Stop the madness. Get off the spreadsheets. Introducing Real Leads Finder Pro, the all-in-one system that transforms scattered effort into focused, profitable action. Our system automatically tracks every incoming and outgoing email and text message. It even records your calls, easily set up tasks, schedule appointments, write notes, and upload PDFs within the contact record, keeping you far more organized than ever before. It automatically tracks your contacts' activity too and identifies cold, warm, and hot leads, whether they visited your website, opened that email, or book an appointment. It's all right here in one place. Now you know everything. For sales reps, never miss a beat. Prioritize your day based on verified contact activity. Plus, you can instantly record your calls, set up follow-up tasks, and store critical documents. For managers, stop guessing. Coach using objective, recorded data and activity tracking. Build a high-performing team with transparency and powerful analytics. Assign contacts and track performance. For entrepreneurs, you're running a business, not a filing cabinet. Real Leads Finder Pro automates follow-ups and lead segmentation, empowering you to scale smarter, not just harder. Our platform takes the headache out of compliance issues for you too. With weekly training, live support, and constant access to tutorials, courses, and marketing tips, we make sure you never just own a tool. You own a full, all-in-one marketing system. Stop wasting time bridging gaps between tools. Whether you're a rep chasing quota or a CEO driving growth, Real Leads Finder Pro gives you the whole story every time. So you can focus on one thing, scaling your business.